The Reisenthel Coolbag from Aspen of Hereford Limited. This very useful 20-litre bag can either be used standalone on its own, or it can be paired with the Carrybag shopping bag where it fits in perfectly. On the outside we'll find twin carry handles, which is very useful. It has twin zips leading to the inside, where we'll see a padded, high quality aluminium foil lined bag. This is excellent for helping with the insulating properties and very easy to wipe clean. The twin zips make it perfect if you just want to open a little bit to add something or take something out. It measures 44.5 centimetres wide, 24.5 centimetres tall, is 25 centimetres deep, and this one is finished in mixed dot.